Wait lang, may
May
makulit.
sumasama.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley.
For today's vlog ay sobrang excited natin kasi papanoorin natin ang naging performance ni Attorney Dolly Carvajal.
Dolly Carvajal.
Ni Attorney Dolly Cruz sa kanyang talent performance na nagpapasok sa kanya sa top 5 finalists for the talent competition ng Miss World Philippines 2024. So ayun guys, bago tayo mag-umpisa ay magbabasa muna tayo today ng ating comment of the day! At ang comment ay nagmula kay Nolaram Garilam. Sabi niya, I like the two of you explaining and reviewing the recent Binibining Pilipinas 2024 pageant. Nagiging malinaw how and why they crowned Miss Pampanga amongst the rest. Gets nyo ang puso ko and I will subscribe your channel. Thank you guys and good luck too.
Yay! Thank you din for that wonderful comment. Wonderful comment.
And kind words.
Yes, kind
Of
words.
appreciation, ganyan. Siguro magsistart na rin tayo magbasa ng comment of the day.
Yes.
Which is ginagawa natin before. But anyhow, without any further ado, panoorin na natin to.
Wow!
Malay-balay. Sabay.
Grabe ha?
Ang lakas makabini ng get up
Alam mo yung manual yung voice effect?
Kasi yun pala, yung mic is hindi siya, ano nga tawag dyan?
Hindi siya pang pro singer, pang talking lang siya.
Pang hosting, ganyan, pang events, ganon. So, pati yung kanilang sound system, di ba, walang effects and
Walang
everything.
enhancements.
Oo.
You had my heart
Grabe! Ganyan pala yung intro.
Lakas makaka-easy.
and you played
Shot pa! Cute.
Grabe ha! Ang hirap yun yung nagre-relay ka lang sa boses. Wow!
May mga pag-roll. Anong tawag mo dyan?
Yan na. Wow! Grabe, pinapili.
I mean, I love it na she's enjoying her performance. Like, it's very rare for a beauty queen to have such talent. So, di ba, kahit na hindi siya, sabihin natin hindi siya ganun ka-perfect, ganyan, na performance. Pero, di ba, beauty queen na, tapos attorney, paano pangahanapin mo?
Oo, tsaka it takes a lot of, yung
Talent,
nerve,
and
Diba? Gusto mong sabihin. Kasi she's giving a show. Hindi lang siya talent performance, it's a show.
senadora, di ba?
O, diba? Concert niya.
And ang fresh niya dito.
Reaching the fever, reaching is bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and out of your shipping. How I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate.
Wala, sa kanya yung stage.
She's giving.
Scars of your love that leave me breathless. I can't help feeling like
Tsaka yung areglo, diba? Yung arrangement.
Scars of your love that leave me breathless. I can't help feeling
Wow.
we could have had it all. Thrown it in the deep. You had my heart inside of your head.
This gising.
Played to the beat. Come on, mga babae.
Grabe!
Sa Miss World Philippines, iya-iya, kinasulong, kinalaban, kinapos, para sa pamilya o sa kalibutan.
Naintindihan mo yun?
May Bisayang part. Nakakagulat na bigla siya nag-rap, di ba? Parang
Tapos Bisaya,
Oo, Bisaya pa.
Wait lang, may ano, may
May
makulit.
sumasama.
So, ayun, nung sabi niya kasi, parang nagtipon-tipon yung mga girls na kanya-kanyang gusto sa buhay, ganyan, iya-iya, o kuan gusto tumulong sa family, ganyan, may pakita yung, kumbaga siguro advocacy nila sa world, ganon. Gusto mo watch.
Every open door, count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in time and reap just what you sow. We could have had it all.
Yes!
Rolling in the deep.
Di ba? Yung ikaw lang solo, tapos ang laki ng stage. So, kailangan grabe yung stage presence mo, ganyan. Yeah, well done, well done.
Wow, thank you, Aneta. Ang galing nga.
Concert niya.
Like, you know, she's giving. Siguro sabihin nung iba na yun na yun. Pero para sa atin, di ba, matagal na rin tayong nagre-react sa performance ni Sarah. And this one is, it was done with a heart na, alam mo yun, yung talagang in-enjoy na rin yung stage. At first, like, makikita mo na ini-enjoy niya, which is yun yung maganda sa isang performer. Mahal niya, gusto niya yung ginagawa niya. Like, you can see the passion in it.
Oo.
Diba?
Makikita mo naman kasi kung kapos pero siya, binigyan niya din talaga, and it feels the stage, kumbaga. Mararamdaman mo naman kung blunt or may mga moments na wala talaga. Pero, nandun yung enjoyment factor, ganyan yung aliw, yung talent niya sa pagkanta, di man perfect
Definitely.
sa
Can I
vocals.
talk na?
No. It's my turn.
What I mean is, kung i-compare mo kasi yung performance niya sa ibang kumakanta sa isang pageant o isang beauty queen na kumakanta sa isang pageant like this, makikita mo yung kanya na iba yung level. Diba? Mas angat yung level niya and we so much adore that. Though yung mga ibang ibang talents na kasama niya sa top 5, iba-ibang flavor din.
Yes.
But we still hope and wish na makuha niya to. Alam natin na isa lang dun sa mga kung saan siya pumasok as finalist, makapasok siya dun ay pasok na talaga siya, masecure niya na yung spot sa Miss World Philippines 2024 Coronation Night, which will be happening on the 19th. So, ayun lang. Sobrang congratulations. Deserve na yung top 5 na finalist sa talent competition. And thank you so much. At sinabahan nyo na kami sa magandang reaction. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!